Ah. Wow, this light is actually very good.
Yeah, on YouTube.
It smells good. It smells good. This t-shirt. I wonder who washed it.
Smell me more.
Stop.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video.
Put this noise, I'll kill you. I miss this. Guys, comment if you miss the noise in my hook.
They don't know.
I miss it. All the new viewers, you need to know that there was a noise in my hook. There was a and now he's not editing. I'm so mad for it. Yani, get it together.
Anyway, today's video we're gonna be who is Kisses Delavin?
Who is this?
Who is Kisses
Who
Delavin?
is this? Every time you write kisses, I'm like, kisses?
Who is Kisses Delavin? Because we keep on seeing all the requests for Kisses Delavin and sino ba si Kisses Delavin? Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, guys. Mag-subscribe na kayo.
And to my channel as well, where I do a lot of yoga, you guys know.
By the way, many of you are asking what camera do we use? Please comment down below if you want me to do a camera video, all the gears that we use, all the setup, all the vlogging setups, and all the walking vlogging setups, all the gears that we use. And it's also linked in the description box as well, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. But let us know if you want us to make a video about it, and I can talk to you about it because I love talking about cameras because I'm a photographer. Check out my photography website down in the description box, link down below.
So much advertisement.
I know. Today's video as well is Fabi's birthday. Let's all sing it, and I will lead the singing.
No, I don't want the singing. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm really
No,
I'm okay
no,
with
it's
the
okay.
singing.
Don't be shy.
No, thank you.
I'll sing one for you. Happy birthday to you.
It started actually quite nice. Okay, go ahead.
Happy birthday to you.
Now I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting. Go, go, go. I wanna watch you fail miserably.
You're making me conscious now. I can.
Because I'm judging like X
I can hit the high
Factor.
note.
Okay.
Stop reacting to me. I'm not a YouTube.
I'll turn on if you sing right. I'll push the button.
Happy birthday, dear.
Oh.
Belt or falsetto?
Oh, belt.
You want belt?
I want belt. Full voice.
Okay. me. Happy birthday.
Who stabbed you, boo?
Wait.
Who stabbed
I got
you?
this. Happy birthday.
Oof. You need a vocal coach here.
Hi, Morissette. Yeah, tomorrow at 2, right?
When's your duet with Ann Curtis?
Yes! Oh my god, I'm tired. So what are we doing again?
Let's do it. This has been too long already. I don't think I've ever heard anyone singing worse than you.
Wow, okay, can you just shut up now? If you have nothing nice to say, can you just not say anything
honest,
at
that's why
all?
our relationship.
Let's get right into the video. Kisses. By the way, guys, this is my Instagram profile. Go ahead.
Let's
follow
all
me.
admire. Look at that cute picture. Who's that?
What's this?
Wait, did you photo credit me in the previous one? Or do you still
700 likes. Thank you all for liking.
But why? I never get 500 likes.
So this is my Instagram profile.
She's back.
Kisses Delavin.
Oh,
she's
how many
certified.
subscribers?
She has a lot of requests. I want to say 6.
6.
I could see it.
I go
6.
low. I go for 3.
3?
Yeah.
Oh,
1
million. Well, that's fine. She still has more subscribers than
fine.
us. 10 of my friends are following her, and no bio whatsoever. Just kisses.
Just kisses. She's
I wish you
obviously a
would give
lady.
me a kiss.
I'm okay. I had dinner
I
already.
wish you could.
I had dinner. Thank you.
What did you think Kisses was? A man?
I don't know. Precious is a man.
We don't know where she's from. We don't know who she is. So if we say anything that's not correlated to her, please let us know in the comments, and no hate, because that's why we're doing this, because we don't know anything about these artists.
So is she a singer?
She's a woman.
No, well, that I see. Is she an actress, singer?
Yeah, comment down below.
Oh, you don't know either. Not even this.
No. Comment down below. What is the first one?
What is that?
Endorsed by what?
My Kissable.
Is that her company?
I think it's toothpaste. Look, it looks like a swirl from a toothpaste.
Oh, it is. I thought it was snacks.
Yeah, at first I thought so too.
That's a good name then. She's branding. She's looking for like the brands that will suit her name. Where was this taken? Where the
Nice
rain
picture.
falls, the sun also shines. Oh, what's
Oh, oh, oh. Maybe she's like, oh.
You will.
I don't know.
What is uwu?
Or maybe it's like woohoo. Oh no, that's with an H. Okay,
No,
whatever.
that's awoo.
Woo 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 woo.
Colorful sweater.
Oh, that's a beautiful pride sweater.
She doesn't need
New York. She
pants.
doesn't. That's my dream, not needing pants. Oh, that's a cute dog.
The cutie. How old is she? She looks like a 12-year-old girl.
She looks very young.
She's so cute. Look at that smile.
Wow.
So,
Yeah,
oh,
she
it
looks
is Colgate.
Very, very young.
It's
Colgate.
It's
oh,
Colgate.
Damn.
I'm in love with that Coco. Oh no, sorry.
Wow.
The denim has second turn. The denim has fur and pearl.
She still looks very young, but
She does.
I love this a bit more mature look.
Yeah. Oh, is that a schoolgirl look?
Schoolgirl.
Her face is so cute. She looks like a doll.
She's so versatile. It looks like she can change
Looks.
very easily her look. Yeah.
Okay, she's about to go
Shampoo,
to a meeting.
there we go. So she washed
Endorsed
her
by
hair.
Palmolive, and she's about
I
to go
love
to a
Palmolive.
meeting. She's gonna sit down in the board.
Oh, pageant. Oh, it's a filter.
Oh, it's a filter. Oh my god.
Oh, you fooled me. You fooled me
All
with
these
that one.
Instagram and Snapchat filters are looking so real
Yeah,
nowadays.
they are. Cute. She rolled in a field. She's like,
I know. I just feel like she's so young.
I think so too. Maybe she's just famous like that.
Oh,
she
she
does
looks-
nothing.
She looks Korean here or Japanese.
Is she Filipino?
I think so. She
Very
said.
cute.
She said, "Had my haircut after almost 2 years." Bitch,
Wow.
where?
Where? It's still long.
Where's the haircut,
Well,
please?
she likes unicorns too.
Oh,
Look
she
at that
loves unicorn.
t-shirt.
She looks cute.
She's so cute.
She looks like she works at Jollibee. Hi, mom. Hi, sir. May I take your order, please? So
yeah, the
cute.
visor. Yeah.
Ooh.
Cute.
What are you wearing sweater in the Philippines for?
Oh, beautiful gown.
Big. You
Look at the
guys-
details on the skirt there.
We're gonna give you fun facts exclusive from Fabian. Fun facts in this photo. We were actually in this photo shoot. We're under the ground. We're inside the dress. Wale!
Jeez,
Sorry.
that's a high pitch. Holy.
If I make a joke and it's not funny, say wale. Can you say it?
I would say constantly because nothing you say it's funny. Oh, who's Wale now? Let's move on.
You're such a bitch. You're such a bitch tonight. Damn. Okay, she's looking like a businesswoman again.
She looks like Selena Gomez here.
This looks like a photo shoot in one of those malls in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Bitch, I'm gonna kill you.
Happy birthday. Ow! Ow! Fuck! I worked out my chest. Oh, there's a video of them. Oh my god. I
If
feel
it's
like,
a boomerang again, seriously.
No, I feel like. No, it's a video. It's a TV show, I think.
Okay.
Gaano ka-compatible si Kisses at si Don?
How compatible?
Go.
He's so
I
cute.
will love you more today than yesterday. You have a message, and if you were to write it on that board, what would that be?
Bah, so cute. A bit too much though.
So cute! It's like high school love.
Yeah.
They're so young.
For me and
still.
Yani will be like fried chicken for dinner.
I know. It's
And
like,
then the other one, do the laundry, please.
you know, it's that level of the relationship now. It's like, oh, what do you guys want to say about each other? Bitch, can you buy me fried chicken on your way home?
All if you vacuum and change the bed sheet.
Or like Boy Abunda would ask Fabio, what would you like to say to Yani? Can you please vacuum the floor? Can you please put on the laundry load?
All I care is that you fold your damn clothes and you put them away.
See, this is the real relationship right here. Not the ones that you see on TV. But they're so cute. Wow. You know what? Fun fact. Fabian
Stop.
is in the photo
It's
again.
not. We're
No,
never.
we are in the photo again. Fun fact.
You can surf on those ruffles.
We are the
You can
ones
surf.
didn't hire a janitor because the dress was cleaning the floor.
Oh my god.
Wale!
It was not funny. It's not funny.
Wow.
Pretty. It looks like she doesn't need a
ABS-CBN
lot of
ball.
makeup. She's like very
Well,
natural.
That's
neutral.
fine because she's a little girl. Pageant coach. Wait,
Oh,
she came from a
pageant
pageant
coach.
world?
So that filter maybe was real. You keep pushing me with this shoulder. I'm like slowly going up. I'm dislocating my vertebra to stay straight.
Wow, spelled vertebra.
Vertebrae.
Wingardium Leviosa.
I cannot spell without doing this. I don't know why.
Wow. Reminds me of Morissette Amon's outfit. One of
Oh,
their
she won
outfits.
that one once. She loves
Not the
jumpsuit,
exact
Morris.
one. I would be so scared to walk outside in this outfit. Because look at the bottom part
Oh,
of the
yeah.
jumpsuit. It's touching the floor and the floor is not clean. Aww, thanks for love, Japan. Kissables.
Oh, she's
that's
got
so
fans.
cute. Is this a magazine shoot?
Oh wow.
Spotted?
Wow, she looks so different here.
She does look so different. Is that her?
It's the makeup because you are not used to see her with makeup.
Yeah, it's a Spotted magazine in the
Wow.
Philippines. Happy birthday.
But enough.
Aww.
That's sweet. It makes me legging.
What? Can you do that again? I wanna see. It makes you what?
I can't repeat myself twice. Makes me legging.
Oh, she's endorsed by Vivo again. Everybody's
Oh.
been endorsed by Vivo.
She's-
Where's our phone, Vivo?
She's showing us how to unlock her phone. There we go.
Boomerang. Oh my
Easy.
gosh.
Unlock. You press your lock.
Oh my entrata.
Oh.
Fresh sneak peek of Vice Cosmetics. So they were like the face of Vice Cosmetics.
Thank God we raid all of you girls.
She looks so mature here. They both look so cute in their own way.
They are. They're very different, but
They're very different.
very, very cute.
Yeah. Oh wow.
There we go. Mega.
She looks so mature here. She doesn't look 12 anymore. Now she looks 14.
Beautiful.
Oh, remember those days when Instagram like this was so popular that they...
Yeah, I never really understood that.
Oh, is that her? No, that's not her, I think. Shelby, Sophia.
Oh.
She's so adorable.
Oh, she's adorable.
so adorable. Look, she's wearing onesie like you.
Oh.
Oh, was that it? That was it. And then she got 400,000 views.
And I do like jump splits, put my legs behind my head.
One view.
One view. And one dislike.
Mega!
Wow, that picture is beautiful.
Oh, I love that outfit. The
Yeah,
yellow.
look at the yellow and like an ocean blue.
I love it. She looks mature here now too. She looks 15. Is this the mega photo shoot? Oh my god, what's the theme? Probably in the castle.
Wow.
Castle talaga. Candles, it's crooked.
Yeah, one is about to burn her.
Wow, I actually like the concept of the photo
Yeah.
shoot.
Oh,
Oh, I love this one.
so cute.
I love that. Look at the long neck. Look at the elbow.
Shoulder. Anatomy, please.
Oh.
It's a beautiful pitch. Oh, wow. This is cute. Too. So she
Did
sings.
she have a concert?
Maybe she sing. Oh,
Oh, she looks like she had a concert.
She
oh,
did.
with Sam Milby. Oh, these are the good singers.
wow.
the dress. You know what? Fabio and Yani are in here in this photo as well.
There we go.
Fabio and Yani are in this photo again. Surprise! Fun fact.
I don't find this funny. Oh wow, she has fridge magnets all over.
It's like
She's like, oh, I went to Greece. Boop. Flower. Okay.
no. She gave the shirt to the kindergarten students. Hi, decorate my shirt, please. Awesome.
It's probably like Versace, and we don't even
I know, and we're just laughing at the brand. Oh, she went to Prague.
Prague.
Have you
I've
been to
never
Prague?
been.
Can we go to Prague? I've never been. It's my bucket list too. Wow.
Slow.
Okay,
Boom.
slow-mo. That hair. Oh my god, that hair.
Boom. Careful the bus! Oh, she made it.
That was actually low-key scary. Wow, she looks like a frosted Colgate brand. Cute! She's adorable. I find her so adorable. I find her so sweet. She's very K-pop. She's very girly, and she's very sweet.
She is. I really like it.
I love it.
Yeah. She's very fresh. She has a
She
very
is.
fresh face.
Yep.
So I'm sure she's gonna have even more success in the years to come.
Aw, you're wishing her the best. Happy birthday.
Enough! Jeez!
Happy birthday to Fabio. Happy birthday.
Wait, let's say it again, that one.
Which one?
The one that you just did.
What? Why? Happy.
Are you not ashamed to sing in front of
They love it.
200,000 people?
Birthday
It's good.
to.
I'm good. Oh.
To. Whew. to you.
Ching, 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 ching. What's ching, ching? Jingle and jingle. It sounded like it. I don't know why. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment down below, do whatever you want with this video, trash it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. I want cereal. I want cereal too. Happy.
Enough.